Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be reading the book Animal Strike at the Zoo. It's true. Okay, our story was written by Karma Wilson. She's the author, and Margaret Spengler is the person who drew all these wonderful pictures. She's the illustrator. Okay. All right, the vocabulary that I'm going to use to provide aided language input on is going to be the Snap Core first vocabulary from Toby Dynavox. And I have my grid set to an 80, which is their highest that is available. Okay? All right, so let's get ready to go and start reading. Animal Strike at the Zoo. It's true. Animal Strike at the Zoo. It's true. Ooh, look at that tiger. He is not happy, is he? Strike, it says in the newspaper. I quit. No more peanuts. That's it. Quit, say the giraffes. Oh, look, here's another one. We're through, says the penguins. There's an animal strike at the zoo. It's true. The headlines are telling it all. The animals quit. That's it. We're through. Say all of the critters from biggest to small. So quit means that they're going to stop doing what they're doing. They do not want to do it anymore. We're paid only peanuts, the elephants shout. And goodness, we're bigger than that. So now they won't trumpet or lumber about. They sit in the shade looking fat. They do not like just getting peanuts. They are not happy. They want, I'm going to go to description. Different. They want something different. The monkeys won't monkey around anymore. You won't see us climbing again. They wallow like big monkey lumps on the floor. We want a nice pool in our pen, they say. They are like the elephants. They want something different. The leopards aren't prowling. The wolf packs aren't howling. And the tigers aren't growling. The otters, they are scowling. Whew. They're not happy either. Ugh. The worst has come true. There's an animal strike at the zoo. Oh no. I wonder what's going to happen. The zebras. Whew, look, I'm going to go to all lists, and I'm going to go to my animals and my wild animals. Scroll up.
Zebra.
The zebras are looking different today. They're looking like. I'm going to go to my animals again. They're looking like
horse.
Horses today. They painted their stripes, and you see, we're all sick and tired of eating this hay. Our good looks do not come for free. They want something different too. Those silly giraffes are not any better. You won't see our necks anymore. They're knitting themselves lots of turtleneck sweaters. So these are different from regular sweaters that we wear in the wintertime. These sweaters don't just stop at the neck. They don't stop there. They come all the way up to your head, your bottom of your face here, okay? And they cover up your neck. So they're knitting themselves turtleneck sweaters, which will go from their heads to the floor. So they're not just going to cover up their neck, they're going to cover up their whole body. You won't be able to see their body. They must want something different too. Business these days is as slow as can be. Folks go to the circus instead. Nobody wants to pay money to see the animals lying in bed. That's boring. The lions aren't roaring. The eagles aren't soaring. And the penguins, they are snoring. It's all rather boring. What can the zookeeper do? There's an animal strike at the zoo. He really is doing the best he can. The elephants all got a raise. I wonder what it is. Look, they are going to read a contract like we are reading this book. And it says, instead of just peanuts, they now get to eat pecans. And not just pecans. Fancy pecans. Boy. And he offered them a 6-hour day. I wonder, do you think they're happy now? The monkeys were given a small kiddie pool, and he's feeding the zebras sweet oats. Let us look. Let us look. Do you think those animals are happy? Their faces. I don't think so. Let's keep reading. But the monkeys complain that the water is too cold, and the zebras demand root beer floats. They still want something different, don't they? Those silly animals. Then and through the gate walks sweet little Sue. She just can't believe that she is here. She's always wanted to come to the zoo, and she's begged for this trip for a year. She really wants to be at the zoo, doesn't she? But no birdies are peeping, no lizards are creeping, and no bunnies are leaping. Then poor Sue starts weeping. I see tears coming down her face. I think that means that she feels sad. Her heart is broken in two. by the animal strike at the zoo. As tears start to streak down her cute, rosy face, the animals watch that wee child. A deep hush of sadness falls over the place, so everyone got real quiet. And then they go totally wild. Look, the lion's roaring, the bunny's leaping, the birds are flying. With roaring and peeping and howling and growling, all of the critters from biggest to small start soaring and creeping and leaping and prowling. Then little old Sue, she laughs at them all. I think because I see the smile, she's happy now. And all of the animals find out that day they actually like what they do. The zookeeper calls the reporters to say, hooray! No more strike at the zoo. 'Cause look, they realize they like what they do at the zoo. They like to make people and kids laugh and happy. And let us look at his phone. Do you guys see what it is? I'm going to go to my all list animals.
Pig.
It's pink and it looks like a pig. Would you guys want a phone like that? Huh? But, oh no. What could be wrong now? The bear at the circus won't pedal his bike. Oh, no. He says he's on strike. Do you guys remember what strike means? You stop doing your work. You stop doing what you're doing. You went on strike. I wonder what's going to happen at the circus. Do you guys think that it will be the same as at the zoo? Or will it be different? All right, well, that was our book. What did you guys think, huh? Did you like the book? Was it okay? Or did you not like this book? What do you think? All right. Well, I have one more thing I want you guys to do with me, okay? So, we talked about zoo animals today, right? Remember our elephant, zebra, monkey. We also had, in our wild animals, we talked about a lion, okay? I want you guys to think about the animals we saw in the book and think about whenever you went to the zoo too and what animals did you see, okay? And let's talk about the ones that we liked, all right? So you can go get some paper. We're going to do just a little bit of writing, okay? So you can get any kind of paper, anything you want to write on. I have a dry erase board. If you want that, you can do that as well, okay? Whatever you want. And then get whatever writing utensil you want. So this could be a fun pencil, a marker, a crayon, anything that you want, or a pen, whatever you want to do, okay? All right. And if you need somebody to help you with this, that's cool too. I'm going to start off my sentence because I said we would talk about what we like at the zoo. So I'm going to start it with I like the I'm going to draw a line because I'm going to finish it now. And this is my sentence, so I'm going to put my name up here. Mrs. Antrim. because this is going to be my sentence.
Mine.
I like the. All right, now I am going to think about all the animals at the zoo that I know about. And I can go to my description or my all list, my animals, and go to wild animals, and that can help me too. And you know the animals that I like at the zoo?
Giraffe.
Are the giraffes. So I'm going to write giraffes. I like giraffe. Giraffe. There are... Okay. I like the giraffe. So now I can say my sentence again. I
like
the... I'm going to go to all word list, animals, wild animals.
Giraffe calf.
Oh, I hit the wrong button.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. I like the giraffe. So that was my sentence. Now it is your turn. There we go. Your turn. Okay, so you can have somebody help you with the I like the. All right, and now this is your time. You can think, what zoo animal do you want to put there? Okay? And remember, you can go to all word list, animals, and wild animals. And what zoo animal do you like? Think that you like. I had a wrong button again, didn't I? Okay. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching with me, and I hope that you did like this book as much as I did. All right. Bye.